Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, hey girl, how you doing? So y'all, today is out of the ordinary. Today is Tuesday, and I put up to HomeGoods because I told y'all like 2 videos ago I wanted to finish doing my room, well, buying the stuff for my room to do it. So I told y'all I wanted to look at like Marshalls or Burlington for a plant, because I want an artificial plant with a big pot. So I was gonna do it on Amazon, get it from Amazon. I actually have one saved in my wish list, but my mama like, I think it'd be cheaper if you go to Ross or something. Yeah, I just left out of HomeGoods, and they plants was $179, and they artificial. Why do a fake plant cost $200? I said, yeah, let me go to Amazon. That's what I get for trying to cheat on Amazon. Because y'all probably know I don't go out and shop. I do all my stuff online, and I see why. Because I walked in and I walked out. Then I'm telling myself, should I try Marshalls and Burlington before I buy it? But the inside of me, I asked myself, and myself said, order of Amazon. So y'all, this video, what will it consist of? I'm sitting in the car at, HomeGoods with Kamari and Damien. Cheyenne is in the restroom. Like always. She said like always. I don't know where this video is going. I need this to get together. I need to put something together and have something for y'all to drop this upcoming Saturday. Because this weekend I was chilling, watching the fight and stuff. I did not clean up, or I did wash, but I didn't want to record that. Maybe I'll be cleaning my bathroom. That does need to be cleaned. And what else? Y'all, I really don't know. Maybe it'll just be us clowning around the house. Y'all get like how we are at home. I really don't know, y'all. But if y'all want to vibe with us, chill with us, just stick around and let's see where this video take us. Bye.
I wake up every morning and tell myself, good morning.
Hey y'all, hey, it's like 30 minutes later. Damn, this dog, y'all hear her? She tearing that water up. That's our new dog, Sugar. She got the nerve to have my name. But we're trying to sell her. Y'all, so I think y'all just gonna watch me clean my kitchen. I don't feel like doing my bathroom. My dishes is full to capacity. So I'm gonna do my dishes, sweep, and I'm gonna run my small mop over the floor. And that, y'all, after the dishes, that might be it for this video, which is really, really short. But I told you I don't be doing nothing during the week. I go to work and these kids be at school and stuff, so I don't be doing nothing. The weekend is my days, but last weekend I told y'all I was chilling. Excuse me. I went on a walk with Kamari. That'll be on my Zip Bound video, which would be out the day after this one. Because this comes out Saturday, my Zip Bound come out on Sunday. But I'm trying to think what I could do. I know my kitchen. And maybe tomorrow I'll add in the Amazon haul. But that's a lot of stuff. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Some of the stuff I showed in a previous video, which was my mirrors and my wall art, like my are they posters? Poster frames or something that I'm putting over my bed. I showed y'all that. But I guess I'll show everything else. I don't know, y'all. We'll see. So I will see y'all in a minute. Let me set y'all up real quick.
So you just throw it in.
Okay, cool. Get it cool. Okay, trying to show out. Look for the camera. Look. Okay. Cool, you did it. That shit is high as hell. See if you can do that one. Okay. Oh! He's showing out. Sugar all in the way.
With that ball one time, she gonna get ass in the house.
Look at it. Look. Okay, kid. Oh, shit. Look at her. She trying to hop with you. I mean, hoop with you. Okay, Kuma. That's you don't. Damn, y'all doing that shit good. Like, but that just be high like that. Kuma was hitting it, Juicy. Let me see you, Shane, go. You just try. Kuma, be quiet.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Out the gate. What cool with it went over the gate? The trees and stuff. See, y'all gonna have to get like a net or something to put up there, son. And you fucking threw it over the gate.
You gotta shoot with your arm. Shoot with your chest.
Like use your legs. Like
Shoot your arm.
Look at Kuma, use your legs. Look.
Get it right here to the shoulder, then.
and click hard.
Yeah. Stop moving up.
Is he trying to cheat? See? Okay.
When you get it up here, then you put it.
Don't hit my man. Look at Cody. Okay, Juice.
Alright, come on.
Oh. Oh. Stay with it.
That almost snapped.
I don't know why you keep doing this. That's Lux. That's Lux. Alright. You're not going with it. That's Lux. You're bored.
That's why I say keep your head back. Somebody playing defense.
That ain't traveling.
Step back, shoot, something.
And that's bugs. And that's bugs.
See, that pissed me off, Shane, with your hand all in my face and shit.
You gotta you should do the back. You know she can't shoot.
Ooh.
Do the same thing.
Okay, Juice.
Bro, this is so weird.
What's up, Daddy?
Oh shit. He got his steppers on.
Come on, man.
Oh, get that shit out of here. Look.
Get it, Cole. Put the hands up. Push you up off you. No, let me push you back.
No.
Oh, how you feeling?
Y'all about to be out here having a fucking ball with this. I need to go clean my kitchen. I'm waiting for my package to pull up. Oh, okay.
And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
What you in the rush for? What you tryna meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real, you really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You getting mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you we sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same all day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. No missionary getting boring. Can you switch positions? Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing. Every other missing. You wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the lion flash. Lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. God bless you. And if you wonder if I hate you, I think I'm insane. God bless me. And if you wondered if I hate you, God help me. Ooh, maybe if you would make me feel just like this, what I would do to make you feel just like this. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me.
Okay, y'all, I am done with this kitchen. I just did a little wipe down. I do need to do a deep cleaning. When I'm gonna do that, I don't know, but this is what I did now. So that will be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But let me show y'all the finished product. y'all, next weekend should be my room video. I just ordered the plant, and that's the only thing that I needed. I had ordered not the duvet, I've been having that since like October, November. I ordered the insert maybe like a few days ago. Today is Tuesday, Saturday or Sunday. I ordered the insert, and I just ordered the plant, and that's everything. Because I only needed 3 things: my bench, the cover, and my plant. So we have everything. I think the plant come Friday, so next weekend the video should be dropping. I hope I'm not lying to y'all, because it's been long enough. October and this is February, but I took my time. I got everything that I wanted, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. So I will see y'all next weekend. Bye.